Introducing Ramuc Epoxy Patching Compound, our two-part epoxy resin designed for superior performance in every application. This specialized epoxy resin boasts a thick formula that doesn't sag, run, or shrink, making it ideal for filling large cavities in a single application. It provides an exceptional bond to a wide range of materials, including all epoxies, fiberglass, metals, tile, and concrete. Once cured, it can be sanded, machined, cut, filed, planed, drilled, and tapped. Whether you're filling, filleting, forming, or fastening, this product is up to the task. Our low-odor formula is resistant to chemicals and safe for use both above and below the waterline. Plus, it can be overcoated by most aquatic coatings, ensuring versatility in your projects. Choose Ramuc Epoxy Patching Compound for a reliable, durable solution that meets all of your needs.